It's time for something exciting that I've been waiting for about a month now. Right here, I have a big old package from my best friends at Betopper. This is a long one. This is the the names are getting ridiculous now. This is the LM3715R. No chance I'm gonna remember that one, but I'm gonna try my best. This has been sat in my dining room for 6 days now, and I've not had the chance to sit down and open it because I've just had so much going on this week. But I'm so excited that I finally get to do it right now. It's still sealed, I've not opened it yet, and we are gonna open it up, do what we usually do. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna demo it, and we're gonna review it. Simple as that. But before I get into it, I want to say a big thank you to Betopper for sending this out. And if you are interested in getting one of these or something else from the Betopper store, please use the link in the description. It is an affiliate link. And if you do want to purchase anything from the Betopper store, please use code LRB at checkout and you'll get 10% off. And it also helps out the channel a lot. So yeah, we're going to get into this. Fun fact, I don't believe this is available for purchase yet. Funny after just saying that. Well, maybe it is after I release this video. As of right now, I don't think it is. So this is an unreleased product that I'd never heard of before they had emailed me about this because, well, no one else knew about it either. And I like this from what the photos and the information that I've been given, because not only is it a super bright, super big, clearly LED moving head, it also has a halo ring on it, which I really like the look of from other products that I've seen before. Never actually owned one, never thought I would own one, but here we are today, and I have one. So we're gonna open it up right here and see what it's all about, and we're gonna program it into the Wolf Mix as normal. This box is probably about as on par as the LB295 in terms of size. So that probably gives you an idea of how big this thing may or may not be. Actually, I'm gonna be careful with this box because I'm gonna obviously keep the box. Right, box open successfully. Okay. Oop, there we go. Okay, first thing we see is contents. That's new. And then we also have the user, oh wait, hang on. This is part of the user manual. The user manual, and then we also have the very standard power con right here, and we also have DMX. Not a big fan of these types of, you know, the cheap ones that all manufacturers send out to you, but no one's really going to use these, but for the purpose of today I am going to use it. And then we also have two of these very cool locking clamps, which I really quite like. It's grown on me quite a lot. I've not actually been in a situation where I've needed to fly my lights, but when I do, these will be quite cool. Anyway, so we have all of that. I'll put those back in here. Let me go through this and let you know if there's anything that you need to know. I believe to be up to a 58 channel DMX programmable fixture. It can also do 33 channels, 27, 22, 30. It could also do 49 AC, 49 BC, and BC 37. I'm not sure what those BC and AC ones mean, to be honest, but I'm just gonna go straight for the 58 because I want all that I can get out of this. So LED source, 37 15 watt LEDs. I'm really bad at this. It's got built-in functions as normal. And basically it's very bright. Anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with all of that because essentially it's a bright fixture, basically. So, right, that's the manual, thank you very much. Here we go, the reveal. Let's take this polystyrene off. Here we go. Oh, wow. I don't know how we do it every single time, and I know you can't see this yet, but every time they send me something, I'm just so amazed from the second that I open it up. You're probably bored of it by now. You probably think I'm putting this on, but I'm not. They don't pay me to do this. They don't pay me to react in a certain way. They don't pay me whatsoever. They just send me this in return for my thoughts and feelings on it. And my thoughts and feelings right now are very good. So, hang on, let me rip this off real quick. Oh, I would like to mention this thing has a zoom and it's a zoom and something else, I think. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh no, look at the state of that. Oh my. What are we doing, Betopper, huh? This is the LM3715R from Betopper themselves. On the front here, we have, or on the back I should say, is DMX in and out, power switch, fuse, and power con in and out. And on the other side is a control panel on the front. I believe it's not touchscreen, but it's got a cool left, right, up, down, enter buttons as well. Now, the actual thing itself, this is huge, dude. So these are the 37 thingy majiggies, and then the halo ring around it here as well. I don't think this is heated or cooled by fans. I think there are heat sinks in here. So there's heat sinks, so that could potentially make for quieter operation. Although I think there is a fan in the back here. Well, we're going to see when I turn it on. But I would have thought there'll be fans in the bottom here also. But I don't think it'll be too loud in operation either way. So let's check it out, shall we? I need to actually make sure my Wolf mix is ready for something like this. So bear with me for just one moment. I'm actually going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to program this before I turn it on, because I want to see... I want the surprise. I want the, you know what I mean? I want it, right? So just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm pretty confident I didn't do that right, but that's okay. What I like with Betopper or just any high-end equipment is when you power it on for the first time, it doesn't like spring into action into like a sound mode and it blinds you while you try to turn it off. It spawns in a I don't even know what mode it's on. I think it's on DMX by default, actually. So we're about to find out what this thing is like. I've got this on channel 1, so it should just work off the rip, but we shall see. We shall see indeed. Bang and bang. There is a fan, but it's not very loud. Oh, this thing's going to be a beast. I know that for sure. Okay, cool. Oh. It's gone deadly silent. There's no noise coming from this whatsoever. Interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can get a position going here. Okay, it listens to me. It's a good start. So, let's see what it says on the front. It's got temperature on it, 24 degrees Celsius. Oh, it's on 27 channel, that's why. Whoa! Whoa, that just made oh my gosh. We put a white on there. Oh, here we go, baby. Oh my gosh, this is on 10%, bro. Dude. It just gets brighter and brighter. Zoom. Wait, what? I have a zoom though. Oh, I didn't do it right. Did I not add the zoom? Why can't I get focus on here? Everything is green. Not sure why that is. Oh, wow. Oh wow, I can go really wide. I've probably programmed this completely wrong as well. That's the thing. Oh, be right back. Let me get my laptop. Got the trusty laptop. Let's see if anyone's made a fixture profile for it yet. I quite like that. It stays silent when it's not in use. And then as soon as you put it in use, hang on, you listen to it. That's good. It's only noisy when it needs to be. Dang it, bro. I don't think it's been made yet. Dang it, no, they don't have it. Okay. That's for me to figure out then. Okay, to be honest, this is not making much sense to me here. Oh, I just deleted it. Oh, I can't believe it. I just deleted my progress. Okay, I think I've done it. That took a lot longer than it should have, but it wasn't at fault of this. It was at fault of, not even that. It was at fault of me. It was at fault of me. I'm too stupid to program anything, and no one's made a fixture profile for it yet. This thing is so new. Okay, what I have done is I've completely redone it, and I've made it two separate fixtures. One fixture is for the actual main light itself, and then the second fixture is for the ring around it, so I can control them both separately in different groups. So let me show you what I mean by that. So now I can have a nice blue on the main light, But now if I go over to here, I can now control this independently. Do you see what I mean? I can control this independently. Now I believe also I can hopefully maybe, I still can't focus for some reason. I'm not sure why the focus isn't coming up. Not sure as to why that bit isn't working, to be completely honest with you. But let me talk about what this thing can do. It does really cool effects. Like, there are 7 different groups within this actual light. So you can do color fades, chases, etc. within just this fixture. So if you had multiple of these, it would look really seamless, really cool. And you can do the same thing sort of with the ring around the edge here. Oh, it fades as well when it fades a little bit. That's quite cool. So you see the ring here. No, it would be in beam effects, feature, effect. There we go. I can do stuff like this. And if I made a live edit for speed, let me see if I did, yeah, strip, edit. If I did this, I can make it faster. There we go. That's quite cool, look at that. Some things aren't built for the Wolfmix because this isn't supposed to work with this really. This is built for something higher than the Wolfmix, but the Wolfmix is just what I have. Let me see, so I want the strip, I want to edit the effect. So if I went, yeah. So hang on, let me activate that, edit that. So yeah, you can do a rainbow. Let's see what else. Oh, just a pulse in between colors. Stuff like this you can do normally within the Wolfmix. You can do that normally as well. That you can't do. That you can't do. So that would be good to have. That's quite nice, I like that. I probably won't commonly use this. I will probably just use this for, what else we got? Ooh, that's quite nice. It's quite funky. It's quite cool. I really like it. Oh, that's quite nice. I like that one. Oh, it expands and, does it change color afterwards? Yeah, it does. I kind of like that. That's quite cool. But I will most probably use this for, this rainbow one here. Where is it? It was here. Yeah. I will most probably use it for this rainbow one. This looks the nicest to me, so I will probably use that. But I can do, let me just add a load of colors in and hit that. I can just add colors in like that anyway. And then if I want to override it with the rainbow, I can if I want. There we go. And the strobe works as well. That's all good. Okay, so that's the strip. Now I want to show you this. Turn this down a little bit. Take the beam effect off. Take the color off, color on. There you go. Now you can really see where all the parts of the light is, like the different, do you know what I mean? The different split off groups, so to speak. So that looks really cool. It's all coming from different places within the light. So what I can do, I'm just gonna make it a live edit because honestly at this point it's, I don't know why it's not appearing in the Wolfmix as a thing, but there you go. There you go. So I can zoom right in there and I can make it a spot. So you can really see, yeah, you can really see the details there. And then I can zoom all the way out. Gets really, really wide. That's so cool. Yeah, so that's all the way out. So that's just a wash now. And then I'll put it in spotlight. It doesn't blind you as much because it's just aimed at one specific part of my wall at the moment. I can even make it tighter if I want to because I'm not too far away from it. It's super impressive. This is really impressive. I want to see how this looks with, hang on, let me turn off the motion. Move. Oh, dude, hold on. I don't know, you can't really see it very well. But I'm going to show you because I'm going to get my phone out. Yeah, you can see it right there. Ew, that's so cool. Actually, if I turn down the dimming, turn that off and turn down the dimming on here. There we go, you can see that a little bit better. So you can see where all the different parts are kind of lighting up at different times. This is so cool. And let me, while I'm actually recording this, let me, there you go. So you can see it zooming in and out right there. Right? Gosh, that's so cool. And then I'll black that out and then I'll put the rings on. Oh, does that override it? The rings override it. Okay, hold on. Let me do that and then that. That's super cool, bro. So, I don't have a gig to bring this to you with today, but in a week or two I do have one. So, I am gonna bring this with me, as well as the LB295 and also the LF350. I want to bring the 295 because they have a disco ball at the venue. I know this because I played at the venue about, I don't know, maybe 5 times before now. So this will be one of the many times that I've played there. And so I'm going to bring that because it's going to look awesome on the disco ball. No haze is allowed, unfortunately, but it is what it is. But I want to bring this to see what I can do with it. Again, it is a problem of, I only have one of these. If I were, for any lighting fixture ever, if you were to have 2 or more, perfect, because you can make it, you can align it correctly, you can have the symmetry on fleek. However, I only have one, so it makes my life a lot more difficult to figure out where to place this thing. So I'm gonna work that out, but I really, really like this, and it's huge. It's really, really cool. I've never owned anything like this. I know I've said this about a billion times now, but again, I've never owned anything like this. I really love the LED ring around it. I think it adds a really nice touch. It's just a nice aesthetic. So even when the main light isn't on, this looks pretty. It's a beautiful looking fixture, and I really like that. So yeah, again, if you want to pick one up for yourself, whether it's out yet or not, I'm not sure as of when this video comes out. Link in the description either way. And yeah, please use code LRB at checkout. And I do want to say thank you, a huge thank you actually, to the people that have been using LRB, the code LRB at checkout on the Betopper store. I really appreciate your support of the channel, and that you want to support me in buying your fixtures. So I really do appreciate that, seriously. So yeah. This has been really fun. Betopper, thank you once again for sending this out to me. Please can I have 7 more of these, and also 7 more of the LB295s? That would be amazing. Thank you so much. Just kidding. If you want. No, I'm playing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions about this thing, or any other Betopper fixtures, or any questions in general about DJing, whatever it is, let me know in the comments down below. I love to reply to your comments. And yeah, or email me. Email's in the description as well. If you want to check out my full DJ setup, because I get some questions about that here and there, if you want to check out my full DJ setup, there is a link in the description to my website where it goes in depth into all the aspects of my setup, why I have it, and where you can buy it. So yeah, hopefully you found that helpful. If you want to see some more, again, subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and peace.